Apprends parler français avec moi. Learn to speak French with me. So this is a new episode where we're going to revise everything that we've already learned in the past. So let's look at the numbers. Cap. What's cap in French? 4. These. These. It's 10. Let's look at the next set of numbers. 7 and 6. 7 and 6. 7 is 7 and 6 is 6. And the next one, 3. 3 is 3. What is 9? 9 is 9. And easy ones. 1, 5. 1 is 1 and 5 is 5. So we're going to revise some of the words we've already learned in the past. And the word for speak, to speak, is parler. And the word for tomato is tomate. We've already learned the word for potato, which is patate. And there's also another phrase, and that is pomme de terre. Pomme de terre. We've learned different ways to greet people. So it's bonjour in the morning. Bon après-midi is good afternoon. Bonne nuit is good night. And there's also saying thank you, which is merci, thanks a lot, which is merci beaucoup. My pleasure is avec plaisir. And the most important, le très important, c'est s'il vous plaît. It's s'il vous plaît, which means please. We've also learned the word to say, ready, to be ready. What's the word? It's prêt. So to say I'm ready, it's je suis prêt. And the word for chicken, quite easy, poulet. But chicken, when you say poulet, it's really the meat, it's really chicken that you eat. So when you go to a butchery, you would say poulet, which is like boucherie is the French word for a butcher shop. So when you go to a butcher shop, you'd say je voudrais un kilo de poulet. Okay, and we've also learned the word for fish, which is poisson. Yeah, it's poisson. Subscribe, like, share, and comment. And we're going to also revise some more words and sentences we've learned. So these were like the first few lessons. So how to speak French, comment parler français. I can speak French. Je peux parler français. Je voudrais un kilo de tomate. I would like a kilogram of tomato. And we've also learned the word beautiful in French, which is beau for masculine and belle for feminine. So here there are some flowers, and you want to say the flowers are beautiful. Okay, and then you'd say les fleurs sont belles. Les fleurs sont belles. So fleur is flower, and when you say the, more like the article the in French, has 3 forms. So there's a masculine form, there's a feminine form, and then there's a plural form. So the plural form of the article the in French is les, les, les. And when you say the flowers, you say les fleurs are beautiful. So it's sont belles. And flower is feminine, so it's belle with an S. And I really hope that you were able to learn a lot of phrases, words, and sentences with these first 10 videos. And I hope to make some more. And I hope you were able to revise some of the words and phrases we've learned. And this is really the concept of learning a word, a phrase, or a sentence a day. So it's really slow, but you make progress every day. And I would highly recommend that you try and practice these words and sentences with friends, or even, just when you sit alone, and that's going to help you improve and speak better. So see you soon in my next video. A bientôt.